one another questions. We have shared our ideas about ourselves. We are learning to respect what others think and say. Here are some special things about it. My favourite toy is Rocky. I love writing because of my 25 books. I can speak Italian and I will help for you to sing. I know, do it, play, calcio, finca, se, salto, ocho, nueve, tres. I am good at playing the piano. I like hunting. I am an expert gardener. I like horses. I can speak Japanese and I will come for you. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, nana, hachi, kyu, ju. I like animals and I like to be scientist when I grow up. I have a rascally cat called Rico. I am good at gymnastics. At home, I've got a mushy belly. I love doing balloon in a weekly little school. I can count to 10 and touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I love rugby. I love playing cricket. I love music. I am flexible and fast. I like cars. I have a dog and a puppy called Monty and Roger. I am an expert at history on every day. My grandpa has won 3 trophies for playing well. When we painted our portraits, we had to listen to and follow instructions. Share and take turns with the paint. Here are our portraits.
Okay, cats. I want you to grab a piece, stretch your cord, hold on tight now. It's going to be a wild ride. Swing, relax, swing, relax, swing, relax. Hold on, hold tightly, swing, relax, swing, right, swing, relax, swing, right, swing, relax, swing, right. Hold on, hold tightly, swing, relax, swing, right. Pass the ring along, sing a stretchy chord song. Pass the ring along, sing a song, sing a song. Roll big circles around and then roll and then we swing it again. Swing the left, swing the right, swing the left, swing the right. Hold on, hold tightly, swing left, swing right, swing left, swing right, swing left, swing right. Hold on, hold tightly, swing left, swing right. Goodbye, I'm going backwards, I'll see you later, friends. Hello, it's good to see you. You all came back again. I have to go away. So sad, I know. Hold it, and let it go. swing left, swing right, swing left, swing right, swing left, swing right. Hold on, hold tightly, swing left, swing right. Pass the ring along, sing a stretchy chord song. Pass the ring along, sing a song, sing a song. Roll big circles around and then roll and then we swing it again. Swing left, swing right, swing left, swing right. Hold on, hold tight, swing left and swing right. Swing left, swing right, swing left, swing right. Hold on, hold tightly, swing left and swing right. Goodbye, I'm going backwards. I'll see you later, friends. Hello, it's good to see you. You all came back again. I had to go away. So sad, I know. Hold it, then let it go.
We love dancing and